So every year you say that you're about to get out of debt, sis, but you're still making those minimum payments. You still feeling stuck. You're still in that trap and that circle going back and forth that you're going to pay the debt, but you don't have no plan. But listen, this video is for you. I was just like you. I'm going to show you how I'm paying off my second credit card within a month by following the plan, writing it down, staying accountable. And stay with me to the end of the video. I'm going to show you my debt wallet, my tracker, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did to pay this credit card off within a month. So if that's something that you're interested in, let's get into it. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Welcome back to Gracefully Simplified. I am Janine. I'm your budget coach. I am your go-to girlfriend for managing money with faith and intention. No shame, no guilt, with God's grace. If that's something that you're into, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you more than you know. If you're new here, hey girlfriend, hey. So over here, we talk about budgeting, we talk about cash stuffing, we talk about getting out of debt, and just really living a financial free life with God at the center. So if that's something that you're interested in, let's get into the video. Now, if you have not watched my full debt breakdown video, which will be linked here, go watch it. I break down each and every debt that I have and what I'm going to be doing to tackle that debt. And listen, let me tell you, it's a good video. And I break down my $100,000 debt that I'm in. You heard it. 100,000 in debt. So go watch that video. So let's talk about this credit card, y'all. This is my second credit card that I'm paying off. And let me be honest with y'all real quick. I could have been paid this credit card off. It was only $600. And honestly, life be lifing, just things going on. And with me not having a plan, not writing things down, me not holding myself accountable. So I say all that to say, you have to write out a plan. You have to be intentional about where you want your money to go. And then also, I'm going to say, which has been a game changer for me, has been cash stuffing. I'll show y'all in a second my cash stuffing envelope for my debt. And you really have to focus because paying off debt is a journey and it's not an easy one. So me creating a debt envelope was a game changer for me because it made me really want to put money in my envelope, and it really made me say, oh, I got to pay this debt off. Because if I wouldn't have done that, if I wouldn't have wrote it down or got on a plan, I would have just been like, I'm going to pay it off and then never really do it. I'm going to show y'all my debt tracker and my cash envelope. So this is my debt tracker, and this is what I was using. So right now, each of these money signs is $20. This is the cash that we will be stuffing in this envelope. The cash should be $230. So let's count this out, y'all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. That's 200. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 230. So 230. We're gonna put this here. This is 230, y'all. All right, so since we are putting 230 in, we will color in, let me see, the rest of these, which I'm so excited to do because each of them are worth $20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. So you know what? I didn't cash stuff the other amount, so I did add some more in here. So this is correct though, y'all, because let me see. We're going to color all these little circles in. So y'all, let's see. So this is my debt binder, and that one was here. So it has 370 in there. So 370 plus 230 is 600. So let's just count what we have in here. 100, 200, 300, 350, 370 plus the 230. So we're going to add all of this together, y'all. Sorry about that. That's my dog barking. 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't like counting it like this. 100, 200, 300. We're gonna put that 50 aside. I don't like counting it like that because it confused me. I ain't getting 100, 200, 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 400, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 500, 550, 560, 570, 575, 76, 77, 78, 79, 580. Now this should be 20 and ones. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600. We got 600, y'all. This money is going into the bank and we are paying off this credit card. Yes, we are. I'm trying to get them all together. I don't know, them 50s be throwing me off, y'all. I don't like counting it like that. I'm sorry. I be seeing some people counting it. No, it confused me. I like to just separate it with the 20s and stuff like that. No, it confused me and that's how I like to count it. But so we put, what's today? 6, 2, cash. We put 230. We added, and now it's 600. And in the balance, 600. We paid it off. So this is my credit one bank. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put 600 here. Let's put total 600 paid. Yes, y'all. So I'm gonna wipe this off, and it's gonna be on to the next debt. Y'all, here it go. One step closer to financial freedom. To every mom that's out there that's feeling tired, that's trying to pay off debt, but you don't know where to start, listen. I have free links in my bio. I have a debt tracker that you can get. It's free. I also have a guide that'll teach you how to start budgeting. But listen, you have to start from somewhere. We want progress over perfection. So if you want to get started today, link will be in my bio. The link will also be in the description. And also put in the comments below, what debt are you paying off and what debt strategy are you using? I'm using the snowball method because I need those small wins, but some people can use the avalanche or other methods. Let's keep each other accountable because you're not in this alone. Listen, there are millions and millions of people that are in debt, but the thing that's going to set us aside is we having a plan and sticking to it. Remember, budget with faith and prosper with grace. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.